Hey, okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicate values, which is a bit different to how you do it in Excel. So what we're going to do is we're going to select column G, we're going to right click, we're going to move down to conditional formatting. Then what we're going to do is we're going to keep the range, but if you just want just to keep the column because maybe your range is bigger, you can just keep G equals G. Then what we're going to do is we're going to change the formula, so we're going to come down to the bottom and we're going to go custom formula is, and then we're going to go equals count if. Let's make that in caps. Count if brackets, and then we're going to go G equals G or G colon G. Then we're going to go comma G1. Then we're going to go end bracket more than one, and then we're going to go press done. Okay, so that's going to apply the conditional formatting rule to column G. So we've no duplicates in this column, but if we just copy the bottom one and paste it in, we'll see that both of them turn green. If we copy this one here and we paste it anywhere, we'll see that they'll both turn green. What I'll do is I'll paste the formula in the description for the video so you'll be able to do it for yourself. If you'd like to change the color of it, you can just jump back into the editor and just click yellow and everything will turn to yellow. Thanks for watching.